Hi students, how are you? Today I brought logarithmic expression which is given as follows. If you consider this one, it says that given log 2 in base 10 is equals a. Then what is log 5 in base 4? It says, as we are familiar, we know that log 5 in base 4 is equals to log 5 in base 10 divided by log 4 in base 10. What that? Using change of base formula, using this. Again, since log of 5 in base 10 is also expressed as forms, log 5 means that is 10 divided by 2 in base 10. We can express such forms, division of logarithm. As you are familiar, division of logarithm also expressed as the forms difference of logarithm, that is log 10 in base 10 minus log 2 in base 10. Here we have. You know that log 10 in base 10 means that is equals to 1. And log 2 in base 10, it is given as a form that is a, which is 1 minus a. Here we have. Again, what for? Log 4 in base 10 means we express 4 as forms of 4 to the power of 2. This becomes log 2 the power of 2 in base 10 here one, which is equals, using logarithmic expression or properties, this becomes twice of log 2 in base 10. You know that again, log 2 in base 10 means that is a, which is equals twice of a. Here we have the cases. Here is 1 minus a. Here we have twice of a. What we want? We want to express here we have log 5 in base 4 using this change of base formula. This is log 5 in base 10 over log 4 in base 10, which is equals, as observed there, log 5 in base 10 means here is 1 minus a, here is 1 minus a over log 4 in base 10 means that is twice of a. We obtain 0. So the value of log 5 in base 4 becomes 1 minus a over 2a. From the given alternative, the correct answer for this is that is B. If you have any question regarding this, please put your comment, and at the same time please subscribe, share and like our channel. It is enough for today. Bye bye.